So if you don't know what a stromboli is, it's basically like a stuffed pizza roll, right? And so I'm making it with mozzarella and pepperoni, but I'm gonna make them look like little mummies because I am having a Halloween party at our house today. So I'm making the topping for my strombolis. I've melted 1 stick of salted butter, a half a teaspoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, and 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. Now, if you go to a pizza shop and then you're like me, I like to put on garlic powder and the Italian seasoning, and sometimes I put a little crushed red peppers on top of my pizza. So that's what I'm basically doing with this topping. Smells like a pizza shop in here. That is done. Now I'm going to assemble my mummy strombolis. I have some crescent rolls here that I'm going to stuff with mozzarella and pepperoni, and I'm going to cut little strips and then wrap them over each other. So kind of like a mummy. And so by the end, it's going to look like a little mummy pocket with little olives for eyes. Okay. I need to flour my surface first, little bench flour. I have some store-bought crescent rolls here that I have rolled out into a floured surface. So for 1 stromboli, you're gonna need 2 triangles. Pull them apart. They have little slits, so it should be easy to pull apart. Connect the 2 sides down the middle like that. So that's gonna be kind of like the bed for the pepperoni and the mozzarella. Start off with a little pepperoni. I'm using pepperoni. You can use salami, you can use sausage, or you can just use some veggies, some bell peppers, some onions, some mozzarella cheese that I've hand shredded. It's important to use hand shredded cheese because it melts so much more than the pre-shredded kind, okay? And I'm gonna cut 4 strips. Do the same thing to this side. Now watch this. I'm gonna take 1 strip, wrap it this way, take the other strip and overlap it. You see where I'm going here? I'm basically just going like crisscross, creating that mummy effect. Okay. For the eyes, I have some green olives here with a little pimento in the center. So you see like, oh, you see how? Looks like a mummy now, right? And there you have it, a mummy stromboli. Before I put it in the oven, I'm gonna brush it with that butter sauce. Oh yeah. So my oven is preheated to 425. I'm gonna bake this off for about 10 minutes. Now, I am gonna use these strombolis to dip in a sheet pan tomato soup that I'm making a little later. I love Halloween. Not only because you get candy, you get to do fun stuff with like crescent rolls.